Hey, what's up guys? JP here from J.P.BBQ. I am going to be doing another random drawing giveaway. A couple of weeks ago I had ordered the lamb sausage stuffing making kit and they sent me 2 recipe books. This recipe book has 100 specialty recipes in it on sausage making. So if you would like to win this recipe book that came in my lamb sausage making kit, do me a favor, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and comment down below this video, and in a couple of weeks I'll do a random generator drawing and you could win this 100 specialty recipe on sausage making. So if you like, go ahead and do that, and as always I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you to my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber yet, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and of course comment down below to enter the random drawing, and feel free to share this video with your friends. But besides that, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next cookout. JP out.